For practice problem 3, you were asked to determine whether each equation was linear or nonlinear, and then you were going to edit this drawing to sort each of these 6 equations into the appropriate box. So we'll go ahead and edit that drawing right now. 1 second. And already, still sitting on our screen from the last problem, y equals x cubed, or any time a variable is raised to an exponent other than 1, we should know that they're making some kind of nonlinear graph. So here's y equals x cubed's graph. I know right away that one's a nonlinear function. I should also know that at this point y equals x squared is our common example of a nonlinear function. And even if it's x minus 6 and all of that squared, it's really the x variable. That variable is going to be squared, and the negative 6 will also be squared. We're just going to get a parabola that's shifted over to the right a bit. So anytime the variable is getting squared or raised to the second power, we recognize it's nonlinear. These other ones, pretty straightforward. All of them resemble the linear functions we've seen throughout the year. If you just did y equals x, that's a graph that's proportional with a slope of 1. If you do y equals negative 3x, that just makes the slope negative and steeper. And if we do y equals 2/3, you can always do a fraction times a variable. That's still going to be linear because it's a constant number times with our variable, no kind of exponent involved. So all 3 of those were linear functions. Hopefully we're recognizing that pretty quickly.